Okay, g'day. 20th of June, Rudy here. I'm a retired financial advisor. Started this channel March last year to help people build investment portfolios. We can go through them later. They've been doing pretty good. And we use charting as the backbone to when we buy and when we sell something. So in this video, I just want to go through CSL on when you should have got out, and the rule, our number one rule that I bet you broke. Okay, so well, first of all, just to prove to you that we did get out of CSL. So just I'll do a quick update on CSL. I reckon it's time to pull the band-aid off the hairy arm. Okay, so clearly here you can see this is a strong line of support. Morningstar was saying it's a screaming buy. So there's still lots of enthusiasm about CSL. So that's an optimal time to sell when something's been loved and it breaks support. So we're out of, and then if you're a CSL holder here, you would have broken rule number one, which is don't fall in love. It's the number one rule when managing your portfolio. Don't fall in love. Cut your losses if support's broken, and don't average down thinking she's going to come back up. Got to wait for some structure to form, a base, before it goes back up. Okay, so I've had a bit of pain. Now you can see we've come back to the December 16 support level. So it broke through this one, so that one couldn't hold. Okay, so we'll just go to a daily chart here because we're getting pretty squeezy. Okay, so we've got these in charting. A break of a declining wedge is bullish, and the opposite, if it's an inclining wedge break, it's bearish. So we've also had an ABC correction, such a wave one or A wave. Usually a B wave goes that way, and then the C wave, but this, so measured move. So we had a measured move down to support, and we bounced off support, trend line, bang. That's an entry point. Just to, like if you do join our club, we do daily videos and daily announcements on shares, buying, selling, ASX 300, shares and ETFs. So you can see here, 5th of June, we're adding to the tank. This is basically our blue chip 300 model portfolio. We have a growth one. And you can see here, people, subscribers were notified to buy CSL, which at the time, nice 4.1% dividend. And I remember listening to, I'm sure you do if you're listening to this video, watch those live wire videos, and the fund managers were paying out on CSL, saying they haven't got a boss yet, you can't buy them now, blah, blah, blah. So I thought, oh, there's a bit of hate. So the best time to buy something is when it's hated and it shows a bottoming chart pattern. And so now it's broken out from this big, long declining wedge. So that's it. Now, if we had got it wrong, would have had a stop level here. So if we bought it and it dropped below this support, would be out. Because we're not in love, not in love with CSL. Yeah, not in love, but it's doing the right thing. So now, really, as long as CSL doesn't break below those levels there, it's still a buy. And we have in charting, you try and have sort of what's your risk reward. So your risk is that level, what's your reward? So you take the deepest part of the wedge, which is that, and you add it to the breakout zone. That gives you a target price up here. So I'd be calling this 170 a target price for CSL. If it breaks structure along the way, then we're out. So if you want to learn more about charting or model portfolios, we do have so I started the channel with more of a ninja this is more trading, more resource type shares, which is up over July. We started this particular one, 1 July, so it's 170%. And then we only started this one in May actually. So just 6 weeks. So to be in here, you got to be a dividend shareholding. So types of things like Amcor, Ansell. I won't show you the whole portfolio. But it's actually done 15% just since the 1st of May. And so this is what CSL is in. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, join. So it's on Substack now. I don't do, it used to be on YouTube membership, and now it's gone over to Substack. Everything that I do, it's in the description on what we do there. 7-day free trial. So yeah, basically just want to help you build a portfolio, whether you're in like one of those member direct, you're in a retail super fund and want to do member direct, or you're in a self-managed super fund, but it's not for, this isn't a VAS VGS set and forget. It's pretty active. So you want to be interested in this kind of stuff. All right, I hope to see you there.